Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the OtterBox. This is a 2-in-1 power bank with MagSafe. It works with Apple. This is the capacity of this battery. It's 10,000 milliamp, and it will charge your iPhone at the speed of 15 watts, which is considered as high speed. Let's unbox it and see what we get. Okay, that's nothing. It's just covering the bottom. Okay, so we get the warranty and some instructions, probably a nice cable, which is just 0.5. And these are the instructions actually. So one thing that's important, it has a battery status, and these are the flashing LEDs. So if it's only 25% capacity, 4 solid, 100% capacity. Yeah. So does it say when it's charged? Charging. So let's see. It's a bit chunky, I would say, for 10,000 milliamp. I mean, let's just quickly. So this is a 10,000 milliamp MagSafe as well. The only thing is not going to charge your Apple Watch. So just thought I would share that with you. So that's the button for the battery LEDs capacity. That's USB-C for charging. That's where you find a watch, smartwatch charger. So you can charge it in different positions. You know, you could have that like that, and then this like that. So you can put the watch in there, or you can have the watch like that. You know, you don't really need to charge the watch at all. You can have that, so you can watch a movie or something while charging your phone. So I have a iPhone 14 in here. It has a MagSafe case, so that should normally. And as you can see, it shows that it's fast charging. That's the symbol on Apple showing that it's fast charging. And while it's charging, I can see this light up. They might go away. So let's just try something. The magnet itself, it's strong enough to allow you to do this, even to open it. This is from OtterBox as well, so it's really nice to see. I want to just try. I know it's not gonna work. I want to try with two different smartwatches. One is from as you can see, you get this nice thing, so you can leave it on your desk like that, and it looks beautiful. You can see the time. So this is like a charger from that's a Samsung, and by the looks of it, it's already showing that it's incompatible. It just gets bounced around, so you won't be able to charge your Samsung one. This is Huawei. This might work. Let's see. Maybe not in that position. No, because I think the Apple smartwatch has something similar to MagSafe, so I think this is just attracting because it might be some metal in there. So yes, you won't be able to charge any other watches apart of the Apple Watch. I just wanted to demonstrate that. I don't have an Apple Watch, but if you have one, it's a really nice thing to have. But yeah, pretty much that's all it is. I just want to see one more thing. Would I be able to charge something else out of this USB port, or is just working as it's just charging the power bank itself? So let's see. We plug this in. Nice one. So you can charge. So while charging your Apple smartphone, you can also charge other devices, which is quite good. So yeah, I like that. So yeah, guys, there you have it. That's the review of the OtterBox 2-in-1 power bank. As you can see, if you have the Apple Watch as well, you can charge that too. So yeah, brilliant. Thank you for watching.